Coffee. What was that?
I am fine.
Are you hurt?
I am fine. A teacup slipped, but yes, it fell into the sink, so we're good. Oh. I'm fine. Are you ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes, it go make your yield plenty, not less. Prosperity, no poverty. Plenty property, yes. Working on the land, labor, not laziness. Lender ants ways, lender ants ways. Out there no two ways. And if hunger they come at all, who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day.
Hello?
Cause buffer day,
Yes, sir.
even in rainy day.
Coffee Ghana.
Cause buffer day, plenty day.
Yes, sir.
Cause buffer day,
Now? I'm pleased, sir. Say 45 minutes. Sure, can do. Always at your service, sir. And thank you for choosing us. I'll be with you shortly. Baby!
Yes. Twitter, Snap, Saraha, Facebook, Instagram, Google.
Don't goggle.
YouTube.
What?
Impromptu meeting? Look, the reference is good. Why don't you take the car and drop me off and I'll find my way back?
Why don't you drop me off and then you can continue?
Traffic? I told the guy I'll be there in 45 minutes.
Okay, let's do this.
Give me. Mommy. There we go. Oh boy. Soon and very soon.
Now we'll let my show no. Buffer day, plenty day. Buffer day, even in rainy day. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, it no be wahala. Solutions, Ramen Kodo.
Hello, Mr. Daddy. I missed your call. You can't find our file again? All right, I'll get my assistant to send you one ASAP via email. Is that okay? Okay. You're welcome. Bye. Good morning, Anaya.
Hello, good morning, madam. How are you?
Any news?
Nothing yet. Tea?
Please, yes. And kindly prepare another file of the Kwame Asari and Co. They can't trace the file.
Wow, this is the second time.
Fortitude, my dear. If life was this easy, everyone would be successful. Please kindly put it together quickly and send it.
Okay, madam.
Solutions,
Oh, mommy. Man fan fra sa. Anya say the area bebre nipa. Betime the typhoid ne cholera. Abre esan so enye.
Will you shut up?
Oh,
Black Obu Mona.
boy.
Eh? You don't respect. You this too no boy. Small boy wait. Allow wizard.
Oh,
No, senior no kwani.
That be we also the nchini so emfa enhohoro ne kama ansa na wo de afrade ye no nya sa be ha nipa. Oh,
Bravo. Oh, see here, Biona. What did not show you, Bana? No one I tell you. Oh, man. Oh, man.
What the boy is saying is right. I talk from Sana. Who say we eat these things raw? Tomatoes, most Near dinner sign, see, baby, don't let us sell disease. See, go from no. Didn't you? I'll come and someone side your friend. Why, that's why? Don't sell disease. Why?
Thank you,
See,
madam.
why?
Oh, thank you.
Everybody plan to run business.
Hey, Ra, it's a woman sick and over, mammy. What the thought you would soon be and Sunday, and they Sunday at all.
Yeah, but you met Yoka. And you're more can I toy. 30 Ghana cities, not your mom.
Abenka, 13ka. Down for my car and 30 cities. Superman 60 cities, I get 30 cities. When you samu to the moon, Jaka, I am most 60 Ghana, and I'm you. And yet, Choga Lala Molo.
But Sagwe call that my Tassiwa.
Hajia, man and Myolo. Missy Mini customer, Pepe Bia, say, what did no man be good? Why no Mudimika, Meto, no master, no master, and do some bet you up. No, I don't answer. Some customer united so hard, Sanka Menka.
My catch say, to crying out do your business, no. I also would say, if you're crying for baby about newer and better ways of doing business.
Ah, yeah, quite me.
Oh, may introduce you one mammy crop. Your mona, one me as I say, me BBI, come on. I'm natural.
Business in Cabana software, most of them.
Oh, Joe, may also follow. So for you, and so no, so wouldn't me obey your fasting 21 days, obey one pious, I will do man cause so sing. I mean, and one. Wouldn't him now obey ya now, one pie and ye. It's no, make crop from business consultancy, Kobe. Magazia or her, market queen, Meba, I mean, no moon, and I say, and I am one. Yes, a son, you mean, why? Oh, her business now cost my favorite customer, my gala. Then you're going to Marco. Davia Kofa now Molu, 10 bags, right? I mean,
10 much organol. Now, only me bet 2 store. The Marco Fiema could die at Jema home. Now, the one here frame your forms. My banner bet 2 amount. Then you're waiting customer to say, wait,
hey, Akofa, me.
Sure, by the way, what would you come from 1 days?
And you, the bags are Namado.
Hey, madam, we are 20 women in our group inside the market. You see, traders, all the traders, they send me come here. Come find out what you can do for us.
That's good. Who sent you to us?
What a cheko. Actually, Aja Kande. You know Aja Kande? Yes. She came and told my mother and the big women inside the market. Plenty things about you. She said you can change us.
Change you? Well, we show you things to do that will make you better businesswomen.
Hey, businesswomen,
You know, you're already businesswomen because you buy and sell all manner of goods, thereby creating value, profit, and employment, and also taking very good care of your homes.
Hey, madam, what a jano ke businesswoman you? Hey,
don't worry. We'll come and talk to you. Okay, I'm very happy you women have organized yourselves. It's called a cooperative. We will show you some opportunities that you can take advantage of when you begin to do things right.
But as for me, it's the loan that I want to.
Don't worry.
We'll sure.
Come over. Don't worry.
Hey,
We'll come over and talk to you. Hey. I mean, we'll share ideas, put our heads together, and then we decide exactly what to do.
It's like a democracy.
Exactly. Exactly. My dear, what's your name?
Enigma.
Enigma?
Yes. Enigma.
That's an interesting name.
Very interesting, madam. You see, my father gave me a very big English name, but he didn't take me to school, so I don't know the meaning.
Hey, Enigma. Don't worry, I'll show you the meaning of your name.
Hey, thank you, madam.
What's your number?
Yes, 0244 334 334
34. Thank you. Email?
Nwelembeko.
But you're on WhatsApp.
2020.
I'll get in touch.
Okay. Hey, madam. Our meeting today is every Tuesday, 2 o'clock. Pepe, inside the market.
That's fine. Thank you so much,
Thank
Enigma.
you so much, madam.
It was lovely meeting you.
Yes, thank you.
Come over.
Okay, thank you, madam.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Enigma. Very interesting name.
Solutions, Solutions,
Yes, so she say she's come here to teach us to be better business people. You understand?
Enigma, are you sure you heard her well?
Yeah, what, Jane? I didn't go to sleep there.
Enigma, you are getting out of control. Oh.
What am I done?
Yo, go on.
Yes. So she say, if you sell, we don't write. You sell something, you write down.
Right. Now you tomato tomatoes with Jenny market. Yeah, right today. And then opposite in Toronto.
She said that is why our business is not going. That is why we are not getting loan from bank people.
Ah, my sister, we are talking of loan. Ebi loan na. Na sikakura bia frobe. Na wabeka de woma gwadifo mesiafo watonade wo gomi. Wabama wo bosia na wode digwa. Man ko ho na yaze wabama yenti yi wadwene fido.
All this plenty talk. Then what?
Yes. She say she's come here to explain everything proper for us. To understand.
We hear when they come. When they come, you said you don't regard anybody here. You are going to be selected to follow them. You should learn to be our secretary.
Exactly.
Hey,
bam.
I mean, is that a punishment?
With punishment. She be a.
Hey, it's sumo democracy. Crack. Ah.
Boy, Mr. Hamam, I make a meeting in my baby. See, this was this baby, but more budget. Natural number can one photo.
Amia, ye buy.
Wana
This one, a generic web.
what's the problem?
Well, I can't be about fantastic film on your CB than your banana boy. I can't own yell anymore.
No problem in that.
Well, I can't be about your fantastic.
Mama Enshika.
Ebenska.
What was shares and they know be on me?
Hey, Siblings can I reckon once some. This one.
Hey, Chata, Bible let's
Baby, woman, not asking John, no, said their friend, Umbra. No matter as I'm out in your miridi. I mean, Maba, man, I'm a cancer. What I'm the more mammy. I'm one of them.
No cocker sky. You can make my mere in accountant Chile. Alone business partner Chile.
I want to check what may want to. And introduce to be a mamma, woman, not a mabam, do scar run.
8 months, Namia, a casca. Oh,
hey, hey, Babrum. This one, a washroom will make some shop anymore. This one, a pay.
You can't buy my Enshika.
This one, Mr. Adenchi. It's too early.
You can't buy my Enshika.
Oh. Ah, hey, Rabba. No. Ah, let's go and see the Queen Mother. Mana, me, Mankasaya. Me and Quanda Makochna. I did to shock and Quanda.
Tell me, I share
more said the Mera Benjamin. I did not know who made him culture. I did not Munchia to Mendagusium. Macat Sam, I don't know, Mammy, or better way fast woman. Oh, no, I'm now. Hey, a parami. What Sam, it's about Bayisam Namkatan and a potato time I make ma.
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes. It go make your yield plenty, not less. Prosperity, no poverty. Plenty property, yes. Working on the land, labor, not laziness. Lender ants ways, About it no two ways. And if hunger they come at all, who cares? Cause buffer day, plenty day. It's buffer day, even in rainy day. Cause buffer day, plenty day. It's buffer day, even in rainy days. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, no be wahala.
Naka kwashia ni bia ni fio ejani. Then now, why ala nakai? Mama ni fio nakai. Why do you do that? You are all mothers. Do you consider your actions influence your children and other children when you behave like that?
Onupai, you find enteje ya bilen shika keke.
Queen Mother, the two of them, these ladies, them may say maybe any. What marame shop ni what wash them. Can you imagine? Me, watch me, you know.
Me. Oh, shut up. Keep quiet. We are all business women.
Mo ba di e hun. Basama.
Enti mesiafo ya wo ebie na wotena ho yi. Wonyim de mpanyifo wo boyim. Se bibi ha won a wodza asam ne baba na ya aka. Na emom wotena gom ho e na worehye won ho ba. Eyi na asan den. Ma mo hwa adza mo yi ofatam. Ma won ye de made ni biom na won ye.
Na, what about share BA? BA will not to me, DBA. It won't look as sharp. You people should look sharp.
Tell them.
Me Kenya.
Solutions, kuna wa sell solutions, man. Ododio. Poma Piero, Poma Carente, Poma Balanchante Bunyolia, Poma Balanchante Bunyolia, Poma Balanchante Bunyolia.
Na wele mansiono.
Buffer day, plenty day, I go day. It's buffer day, even in rainy day. Good ideas and better jobs and best quality of life. Money no be palava, no be wahala. Eba. Solutions, eba. Solutions, eba.
Hey, Nifyadin, let's listen to our guests. Hello.
Women on the move. Women on the move. Women on the move.
Together.
Yes. You remember you people, you sent me to Solutions?
Yes. Last week.
Yes. So I went there, I talked to the woman, so they come today. This be Madam Solution and the husband, Mr. Solution. Over to you.
My name is Amagana. Enigma met me last week. This is my husband, Kofi Ghana. We work together. I was very excited when I met the enigmatic Enigma.
Enigmatic. Meaning? Oh, yeah, Jelly.
Femodin, you people should shut up.
Especially when she said you had come together. Together, you can do a lot. I'm going to throw it again. I want someone to please catch it for me, okay? You see, the first time, no one bothered. So it went down. And you didn't even know why I had thrown it. The second time, I asked you to catch it. You understood. You all wanted to catch it. And so one of you did. It's all about planning. When you plan for something, you do it better. And so we are here, so that together we can help and make your businesses better.
Well, I have a thing for market women. Because my mom used to sell in the market. I was brought up in the market.
Fine boy.
I've gone to school plenty. But the best business education I received was from the market.
Wow.
When you baby, and the yabadi back in about tutors.
And may about tutors.
About Johnny and who can before them puntu would be my.
That's right.
What friend? Yaba. One can't as a pot singer, what a day, Yama.
Offer, you dear brave or power. You mean serious business.
Determination, I like it. 19 years old.
No, Chad American, no, Chad, your friend, the
Democracy.
My sister, business women in the market. Wow. You are already doing serious business here. What we have to do are some small touches here and there. You women have already taken a very important step by coming together to form a group. The next step is to formally form and register a cooperative.
Cooperative. Me, it's a very good thing.
Many can bring Bamoko me.
Democracy.
Yes.
I like that. It means we can all speak our minds freely.
Yeah. It also means that we shall all be responsible for the outcomes individually and collectively.
Araba.
You know, not only will a cooperative allow us to pool our resources, it will also give institutions like the banks and others the confidence to deal with us. Together, we are stronger.
So how much are you going to charge when you help us?
Next to nothing. It will be free.
Wow.
As long as you women are fully committed. Solutions is sponsored by corporate bodies and Ghanaian angel investors interested in uplifting people and businesses like yours.
Wow.
As long as we see your willingness to move on to the next level.
You women are clapping. Do you understand what she's saying?
Talk the free. Free this the answer no channel you free, no charges. Now so angels be na some na the bechem. Now so above from Rebesa na na. Church.
I struggle for working when I say you are one hour wash you. You want to wash I see do. When you are a woman you. We couldn't you be a way to race over there. So there could be were a wow more than worry you dream of your walk or draw. No the room seeker at our nature wire. What a day, with one reason to Odzimwa. Nanyan, what per money can cook, but answer the your money can con, a boat 1 hour minimum when you juma, no ye, to what you need now. Into one, them coffin away to what these flames can man, and one, no waffle on earth angels.
I shall send the night today. I am my God.
Now offer corporate business now, no so no more, no so
Yes. Yes. It means that companies like MTN Mobile Money, they give us money to help do this work and also help you to grow your businesses. You know, now to business. Sweetie, why don't you share?
Hey, it's the beautiful and the white. Beautiful.
You know, we'll start off by taking some very basic information from all of you. They say knowledge is power. It is simple and easy to fill. You'll have to help each other in the filing process together. Stronger, remember? For those of you who still have problems, Kofi and I will help you. Before we leave here today, there's one very important thing I want us to always remember. Please say after me. The customer is king.
The customer is king.
Now turn to your friend and say, put your swag on.
Put your swag on.
Again,
Put your swag on.
Thank you. And also, please keep your environment very, very tidy. Okay? Keep your environment very tidy. And smile when your customers come to you. And stop quarreling amongst yourselves. It's not healthy.
Benyenu. Kaje tishen you no ke pajan. No akenya wi o. Benyenu.
Chamate. Mate.
Go.